Welcome everybody. As you like, we'd love to put you on YouTube. But I guess, as you can see, I'm barefoot today, which is completely fucking stupid. Oh, sorry, the language. Very stupid. I forgot my water shoes. But life sometimes throws you dice. Anyway, as you can see, the water is just fantastic. Blue-green of the Havasupai. And butterfly. Anyway, here is kind of bad because it's throwing water right in my face. You can see my shadow. It's so nice. So I'll work my way back over to my group. We're all hanging out somewhere. Oh la 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 la. Very, very cold wind. The mist from the tunnel, from the waterfall is just crazy.